Hello. Since you know that I am living in UK and here girls are so beautiful, so pretty, and their makeup are always on top. I know a little bit of makeup but not so much. I'm going to watch some videos on YouTube and I'm gonna follow them. Let's see how I will be looking in their makeup style.
So I'm gonna search how to do British makeup.
Makeup by Cardi Black. This is the video I'm gonna take a reference. So I'm gonna clean with my cleansing facial wipes.
Bronzy glam, we love a bright blush, a bright under eye, we like a smirky.
I am stupid. Even the name of my channel is Thestupidheart. It's also using under eye cream. Wait. I also have that. I'm gonna use it as well.
Especially because this under eye area helps prevent under eye creasing and it
Primer. Let's follow what he is
carving out the
doing.
eyebrows for our eyeshadow bit.
Brows also near the corner slightly onto the nose as well because you want a little bit wiggle room for your eyeshadow to blend on top of. I always say that the eyeshadow base is a blank canvas for your eyeshadow to go on top of. So if you want to
Hope I don't do a blunder.
Once you've carved out the brow and placed it on with a flat brush, I like to take super beginner friendly. Now I'm using the pink
Let me blend it because he already reached on eyeshadow part. Blend it. I'm feeling like a comic man. Oh my gosh, I forgot that I do not have any makeup brush with me. Have this one. What should I do with this one? Okay, so according to him, let's do this. We don't have any other option. So he's blending the brownish and then inside he's doing it. Oh wait, they have given me the small one. Wow. So I'm gonna use, which one shall I use? Do I have another eyeshadow palette? I think I have. Let me check. Oh yes, I have this one and it has the brown color that he is using. Bro.
This is a matte shade as well, so I'm going to tap it along basically the inner 3/4 of the eyelid just to give it a little
Bro,
bit
please.
of brightening.
Stop. Let me complete it first to make it lighter on the insides. Let's do this then. I think this much is. Yeah.
So you can use any shimmer you fancy. You could do a rose gold, you could do a more bronzy tone, a white
He's
shimmer,
adding
you can do whatever you
shimmer.
fancy for this.
Get your teeth from Cavities. Teeth. Kids Perfect Clean starts with Oral-B.
And that's a really good palette to use if you want to achieve this makeup look. Now for the eyeliner, I decided to
I hope it's looking good. I hope.
that dries down matte from P. Louise. Now there is
Okay,
other brands
it's a
that do
cream
work with
eyeshadow.
eyeliners as well, like Inglot does, in a little bit of shadow underneath. Now I really like a smoky under eye, so you can do this as well. And the under eyeshadow with the top part of the eyes as well. And to clean up this eyeshadow, I'm actually taking the pink honey concealer onto the flat brush. And
Now he's applying concealer on the corners so the eyes look lifted. Should be.
Yeah. Jingle all
that they've already put there. So now we can move on to the base makeup. So I'm taking this Up to Bite Amy Hydrating Primer. I'm just massaging this.
Here is my eyes. Let me show you. If you can see. How is it looking? I don't know yet. Finally the foundation part. But that's okay. He's taking. And he's using full coverage. I don't have the full coverage one. So blending this done.
Shade range, they're really nice to work with. It's like a semi-matte finish. It's a cream formula
I'm
as well.
gonna use my
It blends into the
fingers
skin
because I do not have
absolutely
that.
I have
Okay, so I was going to apply bronzer with my finger. An angled cheek brush made by Mitchell. Now there's that pattern. Oh, it's green.
to add more depth into the makeup look and to enhance my model's already perfect features. It's just gonna add that three-dimensional look to the glam. If you just use the foundation, it's gonna look very flat, it's gonna look very pancake. You do need to add some dimension, some depth into it. Got a really nice shade range, they're really nice to work with. It's like a semi-matte finish. It's a cream formula as well, and it blends into the skin absolutely perfectly. I have about 10 shades now, and I use every single one of them. To add a little bit of depth and to make sure that the entire face is seamless, it's all cohesive with one another. I also like to take the bronzer into the Now, I already know what people are going to say. They're going to say it doesn't work, it's the wrong colour, it's too light, it's not going to blend.
He's using very light eyeshadow.
I'm just going to go along with
Shadow, no, blush.
I also like to take the bronzer in part of this makeup tutorial, and we're going to definitely start trusting the process. I mean, look at this blush. Isn't it absolutely lovely brush from P. Louise? And I'm tapping along the edges up into our base makeup. I also take my blending brush and tap it slightly into the under eye. And a pink concealer again in the shade 7W. Applying it with the same brush that we used for
again
highlighter,
using
and I'm applying it to the
concealer.
inner corner of the under eye. And it's going to help sculpt the face. Once I've applied with the flat brush, I can take my small fluffy brush from Shein.
Blend it from here till here. This man is using a lot of concealer. Again, in this area.
Because this is the area that creases the most. It's the area with the most
Let's do
movement.
this.
And we want this to be the most blurred and brightened part of the skin. Now these
He
powders
has
have
some
got a little bit of
different
pigment to them, so that makes it
color
extra
of
blurring
concealer.
and extra
I
blinding.
only
As
have
you can
this
see,
one,
it's
so I'm
super
gonna use
blurring.
this
It really
one.
makes the face look like a filter. But I only use a tiny amount. I use a small amount of it.
So
I did actually use
everything
two
is
highlighters for this look
done.
because I didn't really like
He
the first one. But this
is
is the Dior
again
Backstage
doing
highlighter palette. It's
contouring.
the medium shade one with the peachy tones. And I'm applying it with a dome shaped brush just onto the high points of the face.
I'm gonna use my favorite, this color. And blend, 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 blend. He is also blending. And after the blend, he used ta-da! Okay, to set everything, you know. Wow. I'm using it first time. I'm a little scared. Okay.
Cool.
Okay. I think we have to air dry it. Oh, wow. Does it? Do you think it is giving a British look or something? Just be honest, okay? Honest. Okay. So let's move to the next part. Highlighter.
I did actually use two highlighters for this look because I didn't.
This is a contour and highlight, so I'm gonna use this highlight. Suggest me some makeup. I'm 0 at makeup. I just do normal touch up, you know, using foundation and then blush and lipstick. But I hope I am looking cute. Oh my god. The highlighter is also creamy.
These two highlighters for this look because I didn't really like the first one. But this is the Dior Backstage highlighter palette. It's the medium shade one with the peachy tones. And I'm applying it with a dome shaped brush just onto the high points of the face. To be honest, it did show up in person a little bit, but it didn't really reflect on camera. And it's not that strong for my liking, so I gave up in the end and I went to my favourite highlighter instead. But I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter.
This is
highlighter.
creamy
It's a
highlighter,
with a bit of glitter to it. Now this is my favourite highlighter. It has a chewy finish. It makes the skin look like glass. It's an absolutely gorgeous highlighter. As you can see on the chin, the upper lip area, the nose, it really does reflect absolutely perfectly. It's my number one highlighter. So I'm placing this into the high points with a small highlighter brush to finish up.
Ah, why highlight? That's okay. It's okay. It's my first time doing something crazy with makeup. Ah, am I ruining everything? Different style. I think I'm gonna use the highlighter here as well. Because it's not giving me that. You know what I mean? Oh. Okay, let's check what else is needed.
What I'm doing, so I do
Let me
apologise for my
sharpen.
big head being in shock for this little step, but I'm still just taking the lip liner and going across the cupid's bow, across the top lip line and creating a quite well-defined shape. It's totally up to you if you want to connect the cupid's bow or you want to extend it a little bit. I like the cupid bow shape. I think it's quite cute, if that makes sense. I think it's more soft and subtle, and it helps with the overdrawing as well. It makes it look not too overdone.
Okay. Next what?
I'm still just taking the lip liner and going across the cupid's
The lightest shade I have, so I'm gonna use this one.
this into the centre of the lips and I'll go right up to the lip liner and blend those two together. And for a little bit of lip gloss, I'm taking a pink honey lip glaze in a pink nude shade and I'm applying it with a flat brush on top of the lip combo. So I'm glazing this across the centre of the lips, taking it right up to the lip liner just to add a gloss finishing touch. I really do like these pink honey lip glazes. They're a new release and they're absolutely stunning. They're really nice to work with. They go really shiny, they've got a bit of pigment to them, and they're just one of my new favourite glosses. And that is pretty much everything for this makeup look. I did a couple finishing touches.
It's lighter now. Good job. Okay. Okay. One final look. Do you think I did a good job? You're looking wow. I mean, wow.
Thank you all for watching another one of my YouTube videos. I hope
Here I am looking like this. Oh my god. I'm not gonna say it. How am I looking? And I'm looking cool. Wow. Oh my god. I'm looking totally different, you know, in the mirror. In the mirror, I'm looking like a totally different person. Will I do it? Makeup like this? Of course. Now I understand. Okay, bye.